into governance, But now digitalization is modern from with of the development time. Mostly everyone use social media for send in the message and got it information and another activities, And in the Indonesian, for years the criticism drop in the social media, whether in the from
boleh je API kerja berhawa.
public,
Ayat
from
kau.
government and several meetings,
Goyang boleh maring-maring.
statement from some figures,
Yes.
I think the problem about
Okay,
that,
Washington DC.
I think not problem about that because that's good for social life. But the criticism like what you must have of ways when you criticize someone, Don't dropping like demeaning someone and threatening and cussing someone.
Yes, goyang.
Demonstration from us
Lagi W pun mari.
for criticism something.
Boost.
Indonesian has constitution for that. There is the law ITI, number 11 years 2008, and that's make you enter into cell. If you made mistake, my opinion, which harmful another people's, use social media for goodness. And thinking before when you gonna criticize something and create statement. That's enough.